With no news today, markets will focus on structure. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday, December the 17th. And yesterday's jobs number was relatively a bust. But we've seen a consistent pattern in the last few days, which is the markets open one way and close the other, either higher or lower. We're really just continuing to churn in these markets. Tomorrow is the CPI, which could create some action. Of course, we've got triple witching expiration, which could create some action. But at the end of the day, there's been very little. And we've seen the Dow and the Russell make all-time new highs. We've seen the NASDAQ and the S&P hold those secondary highs, which means that I believe that we're still going lower. Not that we're going lower. I believe the tops are in. We can still churn around here in consolidation, and they could take them out. But to me, based on the pattern, based on what's going on, it looks like the tops of the markets are in. We'll see how it plays out. In the meantime, as I said this morning, the markets are higher across the board. Nothing dramatic, but higher. The dollar continues to be under pressure, although a little bit higher this morning. But of course, the ridiculous QE program the Fed is rolling out again should make the dollar a little bit weaker. We'd be looking to be a buyer at some point here. The euro currency is lower. We are looking to be a seller there. Notes and bonds are lower, so interest rates are higher once again. So you can take all the Fed cuts and all the bullshit and say how good it is. Well, it ain't good for you. Bitcoin is lower, nothing dramatic. Gold, silver, and platinum are all higher. Platinum is really exploding. Platinum is now 1950. Okay, it's really extended. I'm not telling you to short it, but certainly I wouldn't be a new buyer as a trader here. I would be looking for a spot to sell as a trader. I do own platinum, just in a physical sense. It is really exploding. So obviously the metals are telling you that inflation and debt is too high. Copper continues to push forward, but it's still trying to break through that 550 level. The grain markets are a little bit mixed. They're really depressing right now and very slow and indicating a potential shot at stagflation. Be careful there. The cattle markets are kind of now stagnating and stable along with hogs. Nat gas, a little bit of a bounce, but under that $4 level. I think somewhere around 360, 370, you want to look to be a buyer. And crude oil did hit our $55 target yesterday and bounced. Looking to sell it again at about 58. And again, just be careful out there. Remember our sponsors, TRADIER Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, The Joy of Mom, our high school program, and have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.
Joy of Mom is a platform to connect mothers everywhere with trusted information, practical tools, and a vibrant, family-focused community.
Gold IQ Group, the smartest minds in metals, for all of your precious metals needs.
Capital Trading Group, the introducing broker for serious futures traders.
TRADIER, options trading starting at $10 per month, flat fee.